guys, it's Leucidal here to do a requested video making your own hyaluronic acid at home. It's a great way to rejuvenate and hydrate the skin for firming and to diminish wrinkles. It's very easy. This is great to do after your Derma roller or Derma stamp, and we're gonna freeze it in ice cube trays. It's a perfect way to heal and plump up your skin. If you haven't tried derma rolling or derma stamping, I highly recommend it for rejuvenating the skin, firming, and with hyaluronic acid, it's a very safe thing to put on afterwards on your skin, darlings. Let's do it. And if you're interested in how I did my makeup today, you guys, just stay till the end of the video and I'll just share with you a secret. This feels so good. The ice on your skin helps numb it, so you can kind of put it on your skin before derma stamping. I don't use numbing creams when I do derma stamping, and I like derma stamping better than derma rolling now. I used to be scared of derma stamping, and I'm warming up to getting the Dr. Pen, the whole mechanical derma stamp. We'll see. It's a very safe thing to put on your skin after derma stamping. I've added a little bit of Ceramide Liposomal that I got from Formula Sample Shop just to hydrate and work with my skin's barrier, a little extra to put in the hyaluronic acid. But if you want to keep it real safe and real clean and pure, it's fine to just do just hyaluronic acid in a distilled water because they're in ice cubes, going to be preserved, so that's fine if you want to be very purist about it. There's links to these all in the description, you guys. Measure out 3.42 ounces of distilled water and freeze it. And because I suck at measuring and I happen to have this beaker, I'm going to do 101 milliliters and freeze for 15 minutes. Pour the cold water into the container, and then we have hyaluronic acid, 1 teaspoon, and you sprinkle it in and just whisk it with a fork. Keep sprinkling it in, and it's going to get all chunky. Keep sprinkling and stirring for a while, and it's going to be kind of like these white floaties in the water, and it's going to take a while to hydrate. Whisk, whisk, whisk. See how clumpy? So I'm going to freeze it again for 10 minutes, and it will hydrate better. But it's still clumpy. I'm just going to whisk it a little bit more, and if it's still clumpy, you could freeze it again. 10 minutes later, there it is, even more hydrated. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And at this point, I'm just going to let it sit for like 15 minutes to fully hydrate. Voila! See, nice and hydrated. And then we have our half a teaspoon of Leucidal liquid for preservation. Pour that in. Mix it all up nice. And at this point, you could just pour that into the ice cubes, but I'm going to add liposomal ceramides from Formula Sample Shop. A teaspoon, mix it in. This will kind of make it a little creamier looking. And see? It won't be creamy once you put it on your skin. And then I'm just going to pour it into each little ice cube, making it shallow so I can use it multiple times because you really don't need that much. And then I'm just going to put the lid on and freeze it for later use. This is what it looks like the next day, frozen. It's nice and cooling, a little numbing. Feels really great on your skin. I apply it onto where I'm going to derma roller, and then I press my derma stamp in and apply the ice cube afterwards. So pushing hyaluronic acid into my skin with the bonus of having it be a little numbing. It's nice and slimy. Push it in right under my eye hollows, along the crow's feet. It feels wonderful. And you can apply it anywhere along the lines that you want to derma stamp away, along my expression lines above my eyelids, and along my necklaces. This is really great. Twisting the stamp as you apply helps, so you get more surface area with the little punctures. And I keep applying the ice cube, numbing the area, stamping along, and you can do this anywhere along your face. A sneak peek, if you guys are following goodfacestuff.com, my brand, our email blast, or you're following us on Instagram, you know that we're coming out in a week from now, our hyaluronic acid, oil soluble, vitamin C infused Lustre. It's a highlighter, a multi, you can put on your lips, you can put on your eyes. It's a nice creamy base, you guys. See? Beautiful. This is in rosé. It's my favorite color right now. I love how it's accentuating my pupil bow here. You guys think my lips too shimmery? So I put it on my eyes around here a little bit. I put it on my eyelids, under my eyes, on my cheekbones. You could even, I even highlight a little bit on my last little bit of melasma here, and I just put on mascara. That's it. So if you guys are interested in this, head over to goodface.com. It's called Lustre. We've come out with 5 different shades. This is my favorite shade right now, in rosé. Yeah, guys, so enjoy your hyaluronic acid ice cubes and have a wonderful day derma rolling. Bye. This is a great way, and this is a great way to just keep that. Totally fine to just use. Oh, hello. Hi, guys. We're talking about hyaluronic. So, gang, hyaluronic acid. You guys know it's a very safe and yeah, guys. Also, if you're interested in this safe thing to put on your skin, if you guys are into my look here, if you guys are into my makeup look, I do use this one fabulous. And if you're interested in hearing about my makeup look with my one, and if you're interested in looking